Hello guys, level up your standalone VR headset with specialized accessories that improve comfort, control, protection, and immersion for every gaming session. Number 1. MetaQuest 3S 128GB hardware. The MetaQuest 3S 128GB Gorilla Tag Cardboard Monkeynaut Bundle is a wireless all-in-one VR headset designed for immersive gaming, fitness, entertainment, and mixed reality experiences. Powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor with 8GB of RAM, it delivers faster performance, colorful pass-through, and access to thousands of VR apps and games. This Amazon-exclusive bundle includes exclusive Gorilla Tag in-game items, 2,000 shiny rocks. Number 2. Original Head Strap. The original head strap for MetaQuest 3/3S is the standard lightweight fabric head strap designed by Meta to provide a secure, comfortable fit for everyday VR and mixed reality experiences. Compatible with both MetaQuest 3 and MetaQuest 3S, it features an adjustable top and side strap system that accommodates a wide range of head sizes while keeping the headset stable during gaming, fitness, and entertainment. Number 3. YOGES Charging Dock. The YOGES charging dock for MetaQuest 3S and Quest 3 is an all-in-one fast charging station that keeps your VR headset and controllers fully charged, organized, and ready for play. Compatible with both MetaQuest 3 and Quest 3S, it supports the original strap, elite strap, battery straps, and many third-party head straps. The dock includes 2 rechargeable controller battery packs, replacement battery covers, USB-C charging cables, and provides fast. Number 4. Silicone Cover Set. The Silicone Cover Set for MetaQuest 3, Blue, is a complete protective accessory kit designed to keep your MetaQuest 3 safe, comfortable, and looking new. The set includes controller grip covers with adjustable knuckle straps, a front headset shell cover, a soft silicone face cover, thumbstick caps, a lens protector, and a cleaning cloth, providing full protection against scratches, dust, sweat, and minor impacts. Number 5. SUPERUS Silicone Head Strap. The SUPERUS Silicone Head Strap and Protector Cover for MetaQuest 3 is an all-in-one comfort and protection upgrade designed specifically for the MetaQuest 3. It combines an adjustable, lightweight silicone head strap with a protective headset shell, providing improved weight distribution and enhanced comfort during extended VR sessions. Made from premium elastic silicone, it offers a secure fit for different head sizes, while the precision-designed protective cover guards against scratches. Number 6. Dxldfks Charging Dock. The Dxldfks charging dock for MetaQuest 2 is a convenient all-in-one charging station that keeps your MetaQuest 2 headset and controllers powered, organized, and ready to use. Its intelligent auto-clamping design securely holds the headset while charging, and the built-in LED indicators clearly display charging status, red for charging, green for fully charged. The package includes 2 rechargeable NIMH controller batteries, 2 replacement battery covers, a USB-C charging cable, and a power adapter. Hello friends, that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like. See you in the next video.